Good morning, children. Myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta, Science and Maths teacher in St. Michael's Academy, Bethia. Students, now I will tell you Maths of class 6, chapter 3, playing with numbers. Students, in this video, we will learn about LCM. As you know that LCM is the short form of lowest common multiple. Lowest means सबसे कम, common जो सब में हो, and multiples means गुना. Means it is called लघुत्तम समापवर्ग. Students, here we will find the least multiple which is got among the given numbers. Suppose I am taking three numbers 4, 5 and 10. So I start to write the multiple of 4, 5 and 10. So we write here the multiples of 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Now multiples of 5 is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40 and so on. Again, multiples of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Students, you can find the number which is common among them and be least. जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि मल्टीपल्स अनलिमिटेड होते हैं, इनका अंत नहीं हो सकता है, तो हम ये बहुत लंबे संख्याओं को नहीं फाइंड आउट करते हैं. We try to find that which number comes first, which is given in all the three or any group of the numbers. As we find, 20 is the number which is present in all the three given numbers. Therefore, this is the LCM of 4, 5 and 10 is equal to 5. Students, in previous video we have seen that we have got the LCM by 3 numbers. Now here also LCM will also got by 3 methods. At first, finding multiples of numbers. Second, prime factorization, and third, division. So by finding multiples, the first method has been told you. Now we use second method. As prime factorization. In this method, we find the prime factors of these numbers as 4. Divided by 2 into 2 times. Again 5 divided by 5 in 1 time, and 10 divided by 5 in 2 times. So therefore 4 is equal to 2 into 2, 5 is equal to 5 into 1, and 10 is equal to 5 into 2. Now student, in this method we have to choose those numbers first which are common at least in 2 numbers. जैसे आपने एचसीएफ में क्या देखा कि एचसीएफ में हम उसी नंबर को चूज करते थे जो सभी नंबरों में, बट इन एलसीएम इट इज नॉट बीन फॉलोड एज गिवन इन एचसीएफ. हियर वी हैव टू चूज फर्स्ट दोज नंबर्स व्हिच आर कॉमन एट लीस्ट इन 2 numbers, and here we find 5. Again 2 given in first and third. Now we find LCM by multiplying the common numbers as well as the left. As common number first is 2, then comes 5. So first of all we have to choose those numbers which are common, and then we multiply the left number. जैसे 2 बचा हुआ है उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. So your LCM will be 12. Now we will use third method. As division method. In division method, we write the given numbers together in a box, in a column, and first of all we choose the least prime number that can divide at least 2 numbers among them. Okay? यानी ऐसे नंबर को चुनो जो कम से कम 2 नंबरों को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. As you can see that 4 and 10 can be divided by 2. So we write here 2. The 2 2s are 4. But 5 cannot be divided. So we write it as it is. जैसा है उसी तरह से इसको लिख देना है. Again we divide 10 by 2 in 5. Now what do you get? 2 5 5. Now again we choose at least 2 numbers that can be divided by a single number. So we find 5 and 5 can be divided by 5. So 5 cannot divide 2 more. So write as it is, and 5 divides 5 in 1 time. 5 divides 5 in 1 time. Therefore your LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 2. Leave 1. Answer will be 12. Students, now here I have two questions for finding LCM of 28, 36, 45, 60 and 124, 188. Now you have to remember that the LCM of bigger numbers cannot be found easily by all 3 methods. 3 methods means the first 2 methods as prime factorization and multiples, finding multiples. It will be easy to do them by division. Okay, as given here the first number 28, 36 and 45. So use division method because it will be save your time as well as it gives accuracy. क्योंकि इसमें आप कम समय में आप बिल्कुल सही ढंग से आप अपने आंसर को गेट कर सकते हो. सो फाइंड योर राइट 28, 36, 45 and 60. Now we choose a number that can divide at least 2 numbers. If all the numbers can be divided by the single 45 cannot be divided, so write as it is and 60 divided in 30 times. Again by 2. 2 divides 14 in 7 times, 2 divides 18 in 9 times, 45 as it is, and 2 divides 30 15 times. Now children, we find here the numbers cannot be divided by 2, but they can be divided by 3. So we take 3. The 3 cannot divide 7, no? So write as it is. 3 divides 9 in 3 times. 45 is divided by 3 in 15 times, and 15 is divided by 3 in 5 times. Again, we take 3 because 3 can divide 3 and 15. So 7 will be written as it is. 3 divides 3 in 1 times, and 3 5s are 15, and 5 is written as it is. Now we take 5 because 2 numbers are there that can be divided by 5. 7 written as it is. Again 1, 1 and 1. Therefore LCM is equal to, we multiply the divisors as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now multiplication. 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36, and 36 5 are 180, and 187 are put zeros, and 18 7 are 136. As 144, 180 and 384. We use 2 divide. 2 6 are 2 7 are 14, and 2 2 are 4. 2 9 are 18, 0. Again 2 divides 3 in 1 time, 2 1 are 2. Remember 1 becomes 18, 2 9 are 18, and 2 2 are 4. Again divide by 2. Then 2 3 are 6, and 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, and 2 5 are 10, and 2 9 are 18, and 2 6 are 12. Again by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 45 cannot be divided, so write as याद रखना है कि जो नंबर अगर इस डिवाइडर से नहीं कटता इसको जो करते उतारना है. If 2 4 are 8 and 2 8 are 16. Again we divide by 2 in 9 times. Here 45 and 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. Again by 3 3 are 9. 3 15 are 45, and 3 8 are 24. Again by 3 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15, and 8 as it is. Again by 2 we write 1 high, and here 4. As 4 is single, so we leave it. Now we multiply. LCM of 44, 180 and 384 is equal to, multiply them. 1 2 3 4. 2 will multiply 4 times. Again 3 2 times. Again 2 comes, and I into 4. So write 2 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 2 are 16, and 3 are 48, and 3 2 are 6, 5 are 30, and 4 जा 120. Student, this method will be helpful to multiply them easily. So write 0 and 12 8 जा 90, 6 remainder 9 and 12 4 जा 48 and 9 57. So your